Hello beautiful people, welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your sorrel puree to make your sorrel cake, because we're going to bake some sorrel cake. So this is part one of two parts. So we're going to do the sorrel puree to make our sorrel cake. As you can see over there, I have some ingredients over here to make our sorrel cake, and we're going to make the puree first. So this is the ingredients that I'll be using to make the puree. I have a cinnamon stick, 2 packs of sorrel rosette, and I have some ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger if you have that. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash our sorrel in some cold water, and then we're gonna put them to boil for about 20 minutes because we want them really soft. Because these are the dried ones, so they're kind of like, you know, a little crispy. So we're gonna see if we can get them nice and soft. So we're gonna boil them for 20 minutes in some water. We're gonna add the cinnamon stick, of course. We're not gonna add the ginger as yet. And then we're going to finish up from there. We're gonna do all the process together, so stay tuned. Okay, goodies, so I put it on to boil now. 2 packs of the sorrel. You want to make it nice and thick, so not too much water, but enough to cook it, because we want it very soft. So just gonna leave this now to boil, and we're gonna come back and finish up. Okay, good. So now that it is cooled down a little bit, we're going to blend it now. We can make it cool right through before you blend it. But yeah, I'm in a little hurry, so I'm just gonna blend it right now. Make sure that you remove the cinnamon stick. You do not want to blend the cinnamon stick in here, okay? All right. See, little to no juice left. That's how we want it. So you don't want a lot of juice in there. You want to keep back some of the juice to soak the cake. So I pour out some of the juice. You want to strain that one, and we're going to add some wine, some kosher wine, red label wine, or you can add some white rum to the juice to soak the cake. So you want to save back some of that juice. And now we're adding our ginger. You don't want to add too much because we don't want the ginger to empower anything. Or adding the ginger. If you had used the fresh ginger, you would need to blend that ginger with the sorrel. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this, and I'm going to show you the consistency that you need. So as you can see here, it's nice and blended, and it have a very smooth texture. I'm going to throw it out of the blender so you can see the texture. And this is the remaining liquid that I have strained, and I'm going to add some wine to that. And this is basically what I'm going to use to soak my fruits. This is much more thicker than the regular sorrel juice that you will make, because I want it nice and thick. So this is the consistency. Okay, so this is the consistency that we have here. Nice and thick, looks like more like a jam. So that's what you want to have for your sorrel cake. Okay, my goodies, so let me know what you think about my puree. Stay tuned for part 2 when we're actually going to make the sorrel cake. All right, until next time, walk good, and remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. Look out for part 2. God bless you.